right, we're back. I had to go get a bunch of 1.25" press fittings. This is a 16 unit building, and I'm not going to try and drain down the whole building so I can solder on a couple of couplings. So we are pressing. I think I'm going to have to take my boots off. The copper pipes down here are in really bad shape. Really bad shape. All right. Cut out. It's a hot water line. Exactly. All right, turning the water back on. What leak? Huh? What leak? What leak? Look at all the roots. I'm really wondering how long this has been going on. I don't know if this is from the water or if they did that when they replaced the sewer years ago. But I mean, look at all these roots. I bet you it was probably just spritzing for a while. It ain't leaking, dog. It ain't leaking. Yeah, so that's